Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR's Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question for NEET exam from class 12 physics. Topic is dual nature of matter and radiation. The question says the photoelectric work function for a metal surface is 4.125 electron volt. The cutoff wavelength for this surface will be 3000 angstrom, 2062.5 angstrom, 4125 angstrom, 6000 angstrom. Now work function given to us is 4.125 electron volt. Work function is the minimum energy which is required to just eject the electron, not to give kinetic energy to the electron. So the wavelength is given by, or we can say work function is given by hc by lambda. Since this work function means minimum energy, so wavelength will also be the threshold wavelength, or you can say cutoff wavelength. Therefore, lambda 0 will be equals to hc by w0. H is equals to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. Value of c is 3 into 10 to the power 8, and work function is 4.125 electron volt. So we convert this electron volt into joule. So this is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 4.125 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this gives lambda 0 is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. On solving this, we will get this value, or this can also be written as 3000 angstrom. Now we check the answer. Option A is giving us the answer as 3000 angstrom. Hence option A is the correct answer. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.